अभी समुद्र में जो विंड स्पीड है वो अभी 45 to 55 kmph गस्टिंग टू 65 kmph चल रहा है डिप्रेशन के साथ। वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा। हमारा जो उम्मीद है 90 से 105 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा हो सकता है जब ये तट के पास पार करेगा। यानी ये एक सीवियर साइक्लोन स्टॉर्म के हिसाब से तट के पास आने का हमारा उम्मीद है।
While Mumbaikars have been looking forward to the city opening up after nearly a 2-month lockdown, another dilemma ensues as the Indian Meteorological Department has declared a red alert for the city. The cyclonic storm Nisarga forming over the Arabian Sea is expected to cross the North Maharashtra coast on June 3rd. The IMD has warned of extremely heavy rainfall for Mumbai, Thane and Palghar this week.
थर्ड को स्पेशली ज़्यादा बारिश होगा। महाराष्ट्र का जो कोस्टल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से और एडजनिंग मध्य महाराष्ट्र का डिस्ट्रिक्ट से स्पेशली सिंधुदुर्ग से शुरू करके सिंधुदुर्ग, रत्नागिरी, थाने, रायगढ़, मुंबई और पालघर, ये सभी में हम हेवी टू वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल और आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में एक्सट्रीमली हेवी रेनफॉल यानी मोर देन 20 सेंटीमीटर हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं स्पेशली 3 जून पे।
Experts say that with the heavy rainfall, people can expect waterlogging and traffic jams in many parts of the city, especially in low-lying areas. With heavy winds, the sea conditions are also likely to be very rough. Mumbaikars have been advised to stay indoors and fishermen have been warned to stay away from the coast as tides will be high and very strong.
और जो फिशरमैन है, मछुआरे हैं, इसको हम स्पेशली एडवाइस दिए हैं और वार्निंग दिए हैं कि समुद्र को 4 तारीख तक न जाए। सो केरल, लक्षद्वीप, कोस्टल कर्नाटक, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, इस तट के पास जो फिशरमैन है वो सभी अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए। जो अंदर है सो इमीडिएटली वापस आ जाना चाहिए तट के पास, नहीं तो ये जो डिस्टर्ब एरिया है इसको अवॉइड करें।
Meanwhile, the state government has prepared its disaster management mechanism to face cyclone Nisarga. All coastal cities and districts like Palghar, Mumbai, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg have been put on high alert. All the government forces, including the Army, Navy, Air Force and several other relief and rehabilitation departments have been placed in coordination with each other. A control room in Mantralaya will coordinate relief and rescue measures. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has asked all non-COVID hospitals to be prepared to serve the cyclone-hit people. The national and state disaster response forces have been deployed in vulnerable areas in the state.
सारी तैयारियां पूरी हैं। लगभग 10 और 11, 21 टीमें NDRF की दोनों राज्यों में तैनात हैं और करीब 10 और टीमें रिजर्व में रहेंगी।
The slums located on hilltops and slopes have already been evacuated. Meanwhile, the BMC have also been instructed to keep dewatering pumps ready in case of waterlogging. The disaster cell of the BMC has been put on high alert and will be coordinating operations. The Mumbai Fire Brigade has been put on high alert and lifeguards have been deployed at all beaches from Girgaon to Gorai with jet skis and other safety devices. A fire brigade official said that a backup of 130 lifeguards would be there at all fire stations in the western suburbs. While the state is on high alert, it seems like we're ready to tackle the cyclone Nisarga head on. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.